Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination, we'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Utes, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Utes,
Bringing all their friends together. Find out how things work with Darwin and you.
Okay. To grow sunflowers, we need 1. Tahi, dirt. 2. Rua, water. And 3. Toru. Yes! Sunshine! Perfect conditions! Interesting. Woohoo! Puddles! Careful of my sunflowers, Newts. Darwin, look! Norky! Worms! I know. I was just observing them. It seems they have no arms, no legs, and no eyes. Really? Can I see? Kia ora, Norky. Hi, worms. Look at them wiggle. You know what this means. Nookie worm dance! Oh, yeah! Break it down, Burpee. Go, frog, go! Kia ora. Hi. Whoa. Smooth moves, Burpee. Morena. Good morning, Henny. We're doing the worm dance. Huh? Worms. Hi. They're crawling back to their underground home. Here's the veggie peelings you asked for, Darwin. Car pie! Good job, Henny. These are perfect. I'll just add it to the pile of scraps and peelings here. And soon it will rot in the sun and become compost, ready for the garden. That's right. We need compost too. 4. Far. Compost. Wow, your garden is amazing, Darwin. How come I can't grow flowers like these? Well, let's go take a look. I am sure we can help. Let's ride! See? My sunflowers just aren't growing. You're right, Henny. Poor little plants. Let's science it. According to my observations, this is what you need to grow big sunflowers. 1. Tahi, dirt. Check. We have that. 2. Rua, water. Yup. I water every day. Okay. 3. Toru, sun. There's lots of sunny sunshine. And 4. Fa, compost. No. I don't use compost. Oh, okay. You can use some of mine. Sprinkle some on here, Newts. There is something else missing from your garden, Henny. Something wiggly. Worms! Nookie! I'm on it! Nookie! Nookie! Oh, wormy, wormy worms! They all must be underground. Wait a minute. The worms like to wiggle in the rain. So maybe... Come out, wherever you are, worms. I have some nice cool water for you. There you are. Tahi, Rua, Toru. 1, 2, 3 worms. Worms away! Hang on, little worms. We're almost there. Wow! Worms coming through. Worms?
Get away.
There you go, little Nookie. Your new home.
Here we are.
The worms look a little tired and dried out. They need more water. Oh, look at them wiggle. You know what this means. Nookie, worm dance time!
Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Ribbity, dibbity, dibbity, dib. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh! The worms got hot and headed over to the shade. They don't look very well. Why don't they crawl back under the dirt like in Darwin's garden? Let's science it! In my garden, when it rained, the worms wriggled up to the surface. They wriggled around in the dirt, but when they got hot, they wriggled back underground. But in Henny's garden, they wriggled in the water, but when it got hot, they wriggled away out of the garden. Wait a sec! This ground is really hard, or maybe the worms can't get through it. But why is this ground not as soft as the dirt in your garden? I think the worms help by going up and down. But I also have a secret weapon. This, my garden fork. I break and turn the dirt with it. But my garden is a lot bigger than yours, Darwin. There's so much dirt to break up. I'm on it. Aha! Perfect. Presenting my Super Scooper Dirt Breaker Downer! Whee! It's working! Great job, Newts! Now, let's sprinkle some compost, Henny. Whee! Nice! Yeah! We did it! The dirt is all broken up and loose now. Okay, to grow sunflowers we need 1. Tahi, dirt. 2. Rua, water. 3. Toru, sunshine. 4. Fa, compost. 5. Rima, worms. And 6. Ono, a Super Scooper Dirt Breaker Downer. Or a garden fork. Yep, that works too. Look! The worms are coming back! Yay! Woo! Miharu! sunflower garden. All thanks to you two. And the world!